see how to draw. First one drawing I do the pencil, one time I do the pen. Okay. So first make that much is sky, that much is land. So make one horizontal line like this. Okay. And after that, you just do like this. Land. And from here the road. Here you can draw the road like this. Okay. Like this road. Here you can draw okay, this is land. I create some land.
Now, how can we draw the mountain?
This first horizontal line create. After horizontal line, you just make it here some land, and here you can we are making little up, like little up. This is road actually. We are making some in road, the white stripe. Okay, this is the road. Here the land. Okay, I Chigani first make it this. Hi, we are making the sceneries today. Okay, outdoor study. So first make a horizontal line, one straight line. This is one straight line, and then I can start the. Why I make this straight line? Because after this straight line, that much is sky, and that much is land. So that division first I understand. Then I start. I modify this horizontal line. I modify straight to like this. Okay. Then I create it from here to here one road. This one road. Okay. And now I can create here this. I erase this horizontal line because I modify horizontal line. This is this part is a hill kind of, but this is the tea garden. Okay. Here I make some small tree or grasses. Here I make like this. Okay. Here I can draw some tree, small. some tree here, okay, in this land. Now here I can create like here I pale. You understood better? This line should be straight. Okay, I can make some tree like here. Okay. So far it is very small tree. We make some small tree so far. Here I can draw the big tree. Okay. So here so far this tree. Here also can create some big tree. This is some pine tree over here. Okay. Make a pine tree. Over here. Make it a little bigger. This tree actually full dark color because this is the hill station. Okay, this all tree are very dark color because sometimes here the snow falls and for eyes this tree color is so dark. So I make it first dark and then I can just make some depth. Here are some grasses in the foreground. I make some big leaf. This is foreground. Foreground is very font, so we make some big leaves here and there. There's a more big tree. This leaves. Okay. How to draw this step by step. Take time. I draw this with a pencil. Another drawing I draw with a. Yeah, I am waiting with that. आराम से टेक टाइम.
Yes.
Make some lines and like here, so it is the roads, so then some sailings. Okay, go here and there.